Hello, Philippines. Hello, world. Good afternoon to everyone. Good evening, Philippines, and good afternoon also, South America. Now, guys, I'm so happy for today because I'm alone. I can do my work better. I can clean properly because tomorrow is my birthday, and tomorrow also is birthday of my boss baby boy. So now I must clean all the house because tomorrow is have visitors, more visitors, and have also housemaid helping here in coming tomorrow. So guys, I'm really happy because I I done everything. Now I just take my lunch, but late already. But it's okay. I have many things, a lot to do. To do a lot of things here at home. So now, guys, I already finished my lunch, and also they went out again to I think they buy something for the preparation for tomorrow. Only me, and today I'm going to the basement and take all the charcoal to put in the kincho. You want to join with me, guys, to put the charcoal over the kincho? Actually, guys, I make my hair dry now because I wake up early in the morning, and then I prepare for something. I do my work early because I want to finish early. So now I make my hair dry. I don't tie my hair today because it's still wet. You see, I shower 6 o'clock in the morning, but until now it's really so wet. So that's why I make it dry, not to tie my hair. Okay, guys. So if you want to join with me, go down to the basement. You can join with me, guys. Come on. Okay, guys. Come on, guys. Ta-da! Here's the basement guy going down. Actually, I arranged here already, but not really arranged. See? So this charcoal, I need to move to the kincho. This one. So I put this in the kincho. Guys, I put already in the plastic, so easy to. Because tomorrow is my birthday, also my little boy birthday. So we need to prepare this one. Only one by one, I think. Come on, guys. We go up again. This way. Go up. 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 Go up. Go up. Go up. Toby, you want to go with me? Come on. Here, guys. Wow. Nice plants. This one parsley. Come on here. Why you always barking? Nothing. This one, the kincho, guys. Here. So, I don't know where I need to put this one. I think here. Let me check. Okay, maybe there. I must remove this one. Stay there, Tommy. Here, I think here. Okay, guys, here. So, I put here. Okay, guys, so we need to go back and get one more charcoal. Okay, guys. So now, so I leave this one here, then go back again. So this all charcoal, guys, I need to put in the kincho. Okay, guys, after this one, you see, guys, I finished all the charcoal put in the kincho. So I need to go like this, guys, and then I go back to the basement. Okay, guys, but guys, Guys, I'm gonna go back to, see, I'm done guys, right? See, I'm so strong. And then I need to do like this, clean. So I want to clean like this. This one, the other, okay. Guys, see, I clean now. And then I go up now. I go up. I go back to upstairs. Whoop. So tired, guys. More apples, more fruits, but not love to eat fruits. Oh, guys, I'm really tired. I'm really tired, guys. So, you know why? What's funny, guy? My boss, son, his birthday tomorrow, 13, and me also, my birthday is 13. But actually, guy, I celebrate advance already last Sunday. So now I celebrate my birthday again with my boss. But I feel shy that she told me that I need to invite my friends, but actually I feel shy. I don't like them to come because it's different, not your house, right, guys? So I asked my boss to, after the celebration here, I went out to celebrate also my birthday outside my friend, just walking distance. They are really happy, guys. So funny. And then now, guys, I already done put the charcoal inside the in the kincho, so I need to tidy up all the plate here in my back. So, guys, thank you guys, and I hope I see you soon on my next video. Thank you, and uh, you're always there for me to support me, to always watching my video. So guys, by the way, guys, you know my boss have secret to me. He will prepare a gift for me, but I'm just waiting. I'm very excited to to hear that, but actually just keep silent. I don't like because I don't like very excited because you know this is the second time. Because before, guys, I don't like to celebrate my birthday. Birthday actually, I only work, church. But now I really happy because my boss asked me to celebrate my birthday after the lunch tomorrow afternoon. I went out with my friends with my gift, and they give me a, a gift cake. I say thank you for that. Thank you so much to my boss and to all of you guys to to celebrate my birthday last Sunday, and now this Thursday I need to celebrate again my birthday with my boss and my friends. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and hope you see you soon to my next video. I love you all, and always remember, I love you, and good evening to everyone. Bye bye.